Oh, hold on. I forgot to switch. There we go. Oh, how's everybody doing? All right. This is Eureka Squared Math, Module 2, Lesson 19, Homework Helper. All right, let's look at tonight's homework. Use the read, draw, write process to solve each problem. It says, a rectangular wall has the length of 12 feet. Length is across. And the height, how tall it is from the floor to the ceiling, of 9 feet. What is the area of the wall? So we want the area. The area is this space in here. It's inside our rectangle. Okay? So the area is in here. So our area equals length times width. All right? So our length is 12 feet times our width is 9 feet. So now we need to solve 12 times 9. All right? So let's break this down. Let's do it a different way. We haven't done it this way in a while. We're going to make this 10 and 2. So we have 9 times 10 and 9 times 2. 9 times 10, remember, 9 times 1 is 9. Okay? Bring that 0 on over with us. 9 times, looks terrible. Sorry. That looks a little better. Still kind of sloppy, but better. Now 9 times 2, same as 9 plus 9, is 18. So we have our little addition problem here now. 0 plus 8 is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. So our answer is our area, A, equals 108. Now remember, it's feet, FTSQ, feet squared. Feet squared. Okay, 108 feet squared. Now I'm going to find what is the perimeter. Remember, perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width. Or perimeter equals length plus width times 2. Okay, so you can find it and multiply it by 2. Or we take both the lengths because there's 2, right? We have the top and the bottom one. We know this one's going to be the same. This and this will be the same. So we got 12 plus 12, and we have 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 18, same as 9 times 2. And then we have 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. So now we add that, 24 plus 18, 4 and 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So P equals 42, and this is just feet, right? Because we're not multiplying, so it's not squared. I know there's a lot of stuff going around here. Let's divide this up a little bit. Oops, I should go like that. Sorry, I got excited. A little too fast. Happens to the best of us. We make those mistakes. All right. It's a little all over the place, but we see our area for right here is 108 feet. And our perimeter, you want to make sure, circle it for me so I can find it when I'm checking your homework. Sometimes we get all over. It might be over here. It might be up here. Wherever it's at, just circle it for me. No problem. I'll find it. All right, let's look at number 2. Mia uses 58 inches of wood to frame her art. The art piece is 17 inches long. Okay, so we have frame or art. Frame, we know frames are square almost all the time. The art piece is 17 inches long, so 17 inches long. So 17 inches long there, it's 17 inches down here. And then it's 58 inches of wood she uses total. Remember, we did this in class today where we're talking about the rectangular flower bed. Same thing we did in there. All right, we need to figure out what's missing here. So maybe we add these together, subtract it from this. Once you get that answer, you divide it by 2 because we need to know each side. Then once you find that, label this side for me. And then you got to find the area. Remember, area equals L times W. That just doesn't look like an X or a multiplication sign. There. L times W, all right, to find the area. So finish this, find the area for me. On the back side, number 3. Fill in the blanks to complete 2 statements that represent the equation 72 equals 8 times 9. This is a refresher. You guys have done that before. All right. So here's the only hint I'll give. 72 and 72. That's it. I'm not giving any more hints. You guys should remember this one. If you don't, think about it. Do your problem backwards. You guys should be the problem twice. So that 72 is blank times as much as blank, and 72 is blank times as much as blank. Hope this helps. A little bit quicker one today. I will see you guys on tomorrow night's homework or in class tomorrow. Have a good evening.